A single mistake here could cost thousands of dollars. The difference lasts less than a second, but the repair bill doesn't. Have you ever wondered what those black blocks are actually made of? Day after day, wave after wave, impact after impact, thousands of boats rely on it every single day. Believe it or not, this protector was once an old tire. Something has to destroy them. Without protection, even a gentle impact can leave expensive damage. Rubber doesn't stop the force, it spreads the force. From small fishing boats to giant commercial ports, the principle is exactly the same. Thousands of impacts later, it's still protecting every arrival.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Welcome aboard. We're ready to set sail. Wow, look at the view. I can't believe we're finally here.
But how does an old tire become this silent protector?
Every year, billions of tires are discarded. Here, they are given a new life through a process of immense scale and power.
Every hidden steel wire must be removed before the rubber can begin its second life. Heat, pressure, and engineering transform waste into protection. But can recycled rubber really survive years of brutal impacts? Let's find out.
At the moment of impact, the extreme slow motion reveals the dramatic compression of the rubber. The bumper absorbs the massive kinetic energy and rebounds instantly.
What happens when docking doesn't go as planned? Rubber doesn't fight the impact, it manages it.
While the plastic explodes on impact, the rubber compound simply flexes and bounces back, completely unharmed.
Sun, salt, rain, ice. It never gets...
After accelerated aging, the bumper is subjected to heavy impact, yet it still performs almost identically.
How much pressure can recycled rubber really take? Sometimes surviving means bending instead of breaking.
10 meters to contact. All stop on the tugs.
Lines in the water. We have the messenger.
Recycled tires don't just become dock bumpers, they earn the job. Yesterday, it was waste. Today, it protects something priceless.
There's the camera!
Hi everyone, we're sailing.
To Tomorrow's recycling won't just be cleaner, it will be smarter.
From mountains of waste to breathtaking beauty, we don't just recycle, we redefine what's possible, creating sustainable solutions for a better tomorrow.
Waste isn't the end of a product's life. Sometimes, it's the beginning of its greatest purpose.